Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, after Chelsea won the Club World Cup trophy, and after Chelsea being the first club the President of United States delivered a trophy to, and currently Chelsea is the best club in the world. After all this success, Todd Boehly, one of Chelsea owners, co-owners, Todd Boehly has spoken, and we'll come and look at what he said. And also, now the share sponsors are coming, guys. 7 to 10 share sponsors are coming, guys. So we'll come and look at them. Yes. And now information came from Chelsea camp that there will not be pressure on Enzo Maresca to deliver Premier League trophy next season, because we still have a lot to do, yes, to catch up with the likes of Liverpool, Man City and Arsenal. They even mentioned Arsenal, and we'll come and look at that. And player bonuses. Each player will receive a bonus. Yes, 350,000 for each player. And now there is a question or a topic of discussion here, whether Madueke, they should give Madueke his own bonus or not, or Madueke he didn't qualify for the bonus. So guys, we'll come and talk about it, and at the end part of this video I will mention your names and mention your score prediction during the preview of Chelsea and PSG. So please watch this video till the end, and don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. So let's read from Todd Boehly onwards, guys. This is it. Todd Boehly: we could not have wished for a better outcome for our boys, who have done such a good work and trained so hard and really came together under Enzo's leadership and direction. No one gave us a chance to beat PSG, and the boys drift and grew on that. Watching them come together has been very special. The form that you have seen is everything we hope, and when we were putting this squad together with Lawrence and Paul, Bedard and I could not be more grateful for the success that they have had, and for all Chelsea fans everywhere who are so thrilled. Thank you for sticking with us. We are really excited about what the future holds. What a wow, what a wow. So guys, that is a message from Todd Boehly, that the form that you have been seeing, or we have been seeing, is everything they were hoping for when they were putting the squad together. Yes, this is what they wanted. Chelsea competing, Chelsea coming back to winning trophies, Chelsea coming back to the Chelsea that we used to know. That is the information from Todd Boehly. And yes, see guys, to be honest, some of their signings super, it works. The likes of Kulpama, the likes of signing Caicedo, Cucurella, even Lavia, currently Joao Pedro. So when you look at our owners so far, not bad at all, not bad. Yes, most of their signings works, most of them. And at the same time, most of their signings didn't work. Rubbish signings, rubbish. Look at all the players we signed. Some of them didn't play even up to 10 matches in Chelsea. Vega Enko, Chukwuemeka, Cesar Casade, Omar Hutchison. See, I can't count. Rubbish signings. But see, they also did a marvelous job. Yes, that is like everywhere. That is how it works. Like every department, every institution, you can't be getting it right all the time. Yes, sometimes, especially football, it's about prediction. Yes, it's about scouting. Some days you can scout a player, it works. Some days you can scout, it doesn't work. And it's part of life. So, to be honest, as I said, yes, some of their signings, yes, they did well. They got it on point. They got it right. Kulpama, we saw him coming. Neto, we saw him coming. Just Joao Pedro, the recent son. For Caicedo, I will not even talk. Yes, Cucurella, I will not talk. All of this guy, their first season, we were insulting them. But when they pick it up, now they are unstoppable. Yes, one of the best players in the world. Caicedo is the best DM in the world. Cucurella is the best left back in the world. You see Caicedo position, DM. It's no more DM, defensive midfield position. It's called Caicedo. The DM position is called Caicedo position. And the left back position is no more called in football left back position. No, that position is called Cucurella. Cucurella is not just a left back. Cucurella is at the same time a striker. Last season or this season, Cucurella scored goals more than all Manchester United strikers combined. So Cucurella is 100 million striker. So guys, that is the information from Todd Boehly. And let's come to the most important one. Information came from Chelsea camp that they will not give pressure on Enzo Maresca to deliver Premier League trophy next season. This is the message, guys. Enzo Maresca will not be under immediate pressure to deliver the PL title, and there is said to be recognition that Chelsea still have work to do to catch and overtake Champions Liverpool, Man City, and Arsenal. Yes, you can mention Liverpool name, you can mention Man City, but not Arsenal. But not Arsenal. Arsenal are not champions. Arsenal are not winners. If Chelsea were looking up to Arsenal, all these trophies we are winning recently, where will Chelsea get them? No. So remove Arsenal name from this. But guys, to be serious, let's come to this message. Let's dive details into this message that Chelsea will not pressure to deliver the PL title, and there is said to be recognition that Chelsea still have work to do to catch and overtake champions Liverpool and Man City and Arsenal. Guys, do you think this message is true? Do you think that indeed we still have a lot of things to do to catch up with Liverpool, Man City and Arsenal? And for me, this is my opinion on this, my humble opinion. I'm going to look at this message in two ways. Yes, when we are going to look at this message, yes, in other way, the first way is that you see this current Liverpool team, they have players who have the Premier League winning experience. Current Liverpool team, yes, almost their current squad was there last season when they won the Premier League. Yes, so they understood the journey very well. They know it very well. When it comes to their players, and City also almost the same thing. They still have their consecutive 4-term Premier League winning manager. Pep is still there, and the slow won the Premier League last season is still there. And his players almost the same as City. The players is also still there. Haaland and co, Foden and co, Ruben Dias and co. So when we look at these two teams, for Arsenal, I will not mention them because Arsenal were winning Premier League before Arsenal. I'm telling you, we are back. We are back. But my respect to Arsenal, yes, they are doing well. They are playing nice football, attractive football. But it's not enough. Big team, you have to win trophies. So that is the difference between Arsenal and Chelsea. So guys, let's come back to Liverpool and Man City and Chelsea. See, for them, they have the winning experience in their team. Everything is there. But I want to come to this, our Chelsea. See, guys, and you see this Premier League, it's different ball game. Winning the Premier League is difficult from winning the Champions League. Yes, I'm starting to be corrected, or this is, I may say, a debate or argument. But for me, like the way I'm watching my football, the way I consume football, the way I see football, winning the Premier League is so difficult more than winning the Champions League. So when we come to that aspect, this message may be right. But when we come to the other way around, guys, the Premier League recently, especially past 2 seasons, the winning challenge is no more there. Look at this season when Liverpool won the league. Nobody challenged them. The only thing that was there last season was the top 4 challenge. That was competitive. But when we come to the Premier League winning, no competition there anymore. So for me, I believe that next season, the Premier League will be there for the taking. Even this season, we started very well, even not because of our Enzo Maresca said we are not in the title. I don't want to even remember. Yes, so this current Premier League, see guys, is there for the taking. We can win it. Like the way people are seeing the challenge, the competition, it's not that up there again. And City, yeah, they sign so many players, but football is more than signing. Football is about how long you play, the chemistry, the combo, the harmony. Yes. And we saw them during the Club World Cup. Al Hilal humbled them. Yes, upon all the 100 million Tijani, Randes, Maramatis, Ryan, Cheki, we saw because they have to play some game to understand the manager, even to understand, yes, their colleagues. Except Ja Pedro and Cole Palmer, who can just came to Chelsea and start blowing it. Except these fantastic Chelsea players, it's not like that. It will take 1 in a million players to just come to a team and pick it like that. It doesn't happen, yes, every day, or it doesn't happen to all players. So this City team, for me, I don't see them coming back like the City that we used to know. They will come back, they will not be bad, but they will not be that elite. The City that were demolishing, beating, no, they will not come back like that. And Liverpool, Salah will become tired next season. Salah cannot give the same performance as this season. And Salah is Liverpool. I'm telling you, yes, Diaz is there and Jota was there. May he so rest in perfect peace. And Van Dijk, see, the Van Dijk we used to know, he is declining. The energy is going, no more pace. So for me, I believe that next season, if the league is there for the taking, we should go and win it. And it will be there for the taking. We can win the league. If we compete very well, we are winning the league. So guys, that is the message from Chelsea camp, that they will not give pressure to Enzo Maresca to deliver a Premier League trophy next season. They still have a lot to do, and it's true, they should go and sign more players. Yes, we still need a centre back. I have a video for that. Chelsea interested to sign Hito. Guys, after this video, I will leave it at the ending part of this video. You can click to enjoy them also. So guys, that is the information. What are the signings do you think Chelsea should bring so that we can compete next season for the Premier League? And let's come to the next topic about the sponsorship deals. Guys, now global companies came 7 to 10 as you are reading on the screen. Yes, and now Chelsea can even price 60 million for each front share sponsor. 60 million. Initially Chelsea wanted 50 million. They refused to pay. Now they are back and it's worth 60 million. Even Chelsea can price more than 60 million. What a wow. See, success is good. May we be successful at the end of any journey. Yes, we are following. Success attract everybody. Like success bring everybody. Chelsea, because now we are winning. Yes, we are now winners. See the companies. 10. So now Chelsea will pick. Yes, just price their money. If you can pay, go away. If you can pay, go away. So for me, I'm expecting Chelsea to even price them at least 70 to 75 million. And if Chelsea collect that 70 million, we are going to be the highest share sponsorship fee earners. Yes, in the Premier League, City is not collecting more than 50 million. Yes, even 60 million they are not collecting. The same as Liverpool. Yeah, the same as Arsenal. So at least the 60 million, at least, or as I said, the 70 or the 75 million. So that we can use it to balance the books. And it is every season, every year, they will pay the 70 million or the 60 million every year. So that we can balance the books and go into the market and bring more players, more defenders, more attackers like João Pedro, Cole Palmer, Caicedo, Cucurella, and co. Yes. So guys, that is the latest share sponsorship deal. Yes, Chelsea now about to make. Yes. 7 to 10. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And if any latest information or update come, yes, because we must know those shares or global companies, whether Riyadh, whether the last one that we were, what was the name? The Dubai company. Yes. If any update come, I will update you here. So please don't forget to turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And let's come to Madueke, guys. Now, as the players won the club trophy, they are going to receive bonuses. Each player is going to receive £350,000. Each player. And now there is a debate that whether Chelsea will give Madueke his own or not. And some fans are saying that he didn't give assist. He didn't score a goal. He didn't do anything. So £0 or €0. They should not give Madueke anything. But he had a medal. Yes, Madueke had a medal. So guys, let me hear from you. Do you think Madueke deserves that bonus? £350,000 a week, or they should give it to charity? Yes. So some fans are saying that okay, Madueke said that he will send a medal to Arsenal to show to them, so that he will show them the way Arsenal will, the players will touch the Club World Cup trophy. They never touch any European medal. So he will go and show it to Declan Rice and Saka and co. For them, yes, to learn, to get the blessing from the medal. Yes. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about this bonus. Do you think Madueke deserves the bonus? Maybe as far as he participates, just may give it to him. Maybe. Let's see the criteria. And if any update come on that also, I'll let you know. So please stay on to Football Lion. And let's come to your prediction during the game. Yes, our preview, Chelsea PSG. Yes, let's come to the predictions. Yes, I have your names and your predictions here. You'll see it on the screen. Let's start with Judith. And please, if I mention your name wrong, please forgive me. Please. Let's start with Judith. Mr. Mali. Chelsea will win on Sunday by God's grace. And yes, indeed, we won. Yes. And Martin Billy said Chelsea 5, PSG 1. Indeed, we won. And Mushmas Richard said Chelsea will win, PSG 0, Chelsea 1. Yes, indeed, we won. Yes. All of you are winners. Yes, all those commented, all of us are winners. Chelsea fans, we are winners. So I thank you all for the comments you are giving me recently. And John Chris said Chelsea 1, PSG 0. At the end, Chelsea scored 3, but yes, we won. That matters. Yes, Chelsea is now the best club in the world. Yes, Sahid said they are beatable. And my prediction is Chelsea 2, PSG 1. Yes, at the end, we won. Yes. Felipe said Chelsea 2, PSG 0 is the most likely result, but who knows? Yes, God knows. At the end, God gave the trophy to Chelsea. Felipe, thank you for your comment. And Mikel said PSG is likely to take the lead with 2 ahead of Chelsea, but the final will still Chelsea will score 3 goals. What a wow. At the end, we scored the 3 goals, but they didn't even score. Yes, I see where you are coming from. You respect them. And Ninesua said Chelsea won, PSG nil. Yes, at the end we won. That matters. Thank you for your comment, Inesua. Edo Abdullah said Chelsea win 100% at the end. Yes, we won 100%. Clean sheet. Thank you for the comment, Abdullah. Yes, Tech. Thank you for the comments. Yes. Maybe when you come back here, we'll meet. We'll talk about Chelsea more. And Baji James says tomorrow for celebration, Richmond. Yes, indeed, we celebrated. We won and celebrated. And Papi Show said Caicedo too has his YouTube channel. Let's go Premier League mode. Watch out for João Pedro and Pedro Neto. At the end, João Pedro scored a fantastic goal, and Pedro Neto also had a fantastic show display on that game. And guys, some people said I look like Moses Caicedo. Yes, since I started this thing up to now, that is how people are commenting that I look like Moses Caicedo. Is it true? Did I look like Moses Caicedo? And not bad if I look like Caicedo, the best DM in the world. Yes, who don't want to be like the best DM or look like the best DM in the world? Yes. Who is better than Vitinha? Who is better than João Neves? Who is better than Fabian Ruiz? Who is better than Casemiro? Who is better than Ugarte? Who is better than any? Yes, Frankie de Jong. Who is better than any midfielder you can talk about in this one? Moses Caicedo. Yes, the conqueror, the pocketer. Yes. Let's come to Carlin. Carlin said Chelsea will champions of Club 2025. Yes, indeed, we are the champions. Thank you for your comment, Carlin. And Jawin Bero. Hi, Richmond. PSG, they are good in first half time only if you watch their games clearly. We are Chelsea. Yes, we are Chelsea. We won. We beat them. PSG, they are only good against Arsenal and co. Yes, Real Madrid and co. For Chelsea, PSG is a small team. It's a scam. And Imura Sharif said, honestly, we'll beat PSG. Indeed, we'll beat them. I like your... Hey, God will bless you, Sharif. I like this your comment. Yes, honestly, we'll beat PSG. Honestly, we'll beat them. Woto. And Salim said, Chelsea 3, yes, PSG 2. Yes, Salim, you got the goals right. Yes, at the end, we scored the 3 goals. They didn't even score. And thank you for your comments, Salim. All of you commented, thank you for your comments. Yes. And Wasiu said, Adewale said, Chelsea will beat PSG. At the end, we'll beat them. Thank you for your comment, Wasiu. So, Ginny said, Chelsea 2, PSG 1. At the end, we'll beat them. Chelsea team will win the Club World Cup by 2-1. At the end, we won it. Yes, thank you for your comments. And thank you for your comments. Yes. All Chelsea fans all over the world, all Football Lion viewers all over the world, God will bless you. God will bless you. And please, if you haven't hit the like button for this video to reach more people, and hit the subscription button. Maybe at least by the close of this transfer window, we can get 7K on this channel. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button. And tell another Chelsea fan about this channel. Share this channel. Share the videos to other Chelsea fans you know. So please help. Let's grow this channel together. Yes, by the close of this transfer window, we can get 7K. At least 7K. Now 5K. Maybe 6 to 7K. So please hit the like button. Hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.